enti ema bufu because my catch them say week we no aya Sam George week oh Sam George nate jata na new pussycat aya ni week on say enra echi no ana Sam George ebeka sabim obe reply TikTokers no concern the arrest of Abutrika eho no ana Sam George can be before PayPal and TikTok monetization ho that needs more kind you know both NDC TikTokers any other Ghanaians have very plus Sam George na enso mu ka Sam George no enye fedi agro me man chiri mu no akire wa adwe amame e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media me so say any dem obe like video na da ma button subscribe button na be click notification icon no for latest update na be chere wa adwe de amame e wo comment section so ba so no she for so enya bia hwe prior to the arrest of Abutrika no Iyokofu okomukwachi Sam omukwachi Abutrika no oma yedi we mo acha onkasa Sam George oye information minister on aja asem na boso ata ne ni ase minim so oje ho ani minim de Sam George pe se oje ho ani monyamu se mo na baso se minti Sam George ase na cock boss enkasa you know CSA Cyber Security Authority omo boss on kasai NIB National Investigative Bureau omo boss on kasai Romacha Yoko boss on kasai but Sam George as information minister ona ye say what boss so gina mu je say se oje animonyamu se oje de bi o mi nim de Sam George pe concern Abutrika arrest mi ni Sam George pe wa kasa bebre onika be ka say there are other 3 people to go because ya che Abutrika and the pa me say bo mo a they on the line and che be chi wo mu e me no Ghana for blast ne kakra ke kan wadwen kire no na Sam George say ba biem no ana obeki can say be say ai bona moye say ana why am I going after this going after that no eye mukro na ana mo pese paper eba Ghana ha mukro na be say me monetize TikTok e mamo and me ka kire mo cement me acheche fraud boys na that there I can't give you paper neither can I give you TikTok monetization because of that no ana paper every Ghana ha no because of that no ana TikTok mpes o be monetize Ghana for no.
So I've seen a number of comments on social media saying that this is not what we voted for you for. You're going after the fraud boys. Leave them alone. You're not creating jobs. But those same people are asking me to get PayPal to monetize. Those same people are asking me to get TikTok to monetize and Meta to monetize. Well, they will blacklist Ghana so long as there's fraud happening in Ghana. The reason why PayPal left Ghana is because of fraud. And so if you have a few people depriving the majority of people who are doing legitimate work on social media, content creators, the reason you can't monetize and get value for your craft is because a few people have chosen to give Ghana a bad name. We will take action. And let this be clear. This action of clamping down on cyber fraud didn't start today. The FBI did not make the request today. Those requests were pending before I became minister. But in the past, people were leaking the information to the targets and helping them evade arrest. I made a commitment when I became minister that anything that we will do to clean up the image of Ghana internationally, we will. Because as we clamp down on cybercrime, it makes our case stronger as we talk to the platforms to monetize and say that, look, Ghana is a peaceful destination, it's a safe haven, and that illicit flows will not come through here. The excuse and argument that there are no jobs, then should we say that then we shouldn't arrest armed robbers as well because everybody will have a reason for crime?
Now, you know, as far as Sam George can there. As far as Sam George can, maybe the crowd will be and toss him. In a way, all part to say, fraud, course, what Ghana had more, ain't paper, any Ghana had more. And no tina TikTok monetization, any Ghana had more. And this is just an empty defense. This is just an empty defense. You know, your calculation. Yenfa word top 10 countries are omuya fraud pa. Buni pafas on the internet. India any dikai. India. But TikTok monetization. Na India eka humbi. PayPal ejma ewo India. Nigeria list Nigeria toss over 7. Yenfa list na top 10. Nigeria crown count almost toss over 7. But Nigeria PayPal eye adwuma e wo Nigeria. Na say Sam George defense no make it. It doesn't add up. Telling us say, fraud I Ghana for you be brintina paper any Ghana ha. It's not TikTok monetization. African be no can't TikTok monetization. No African country is part of TikTok monetization. It is not Sam George can there. It doesn't add up. It doesn't add up. Too much talking. Kasa be. It doesn't add up. No, and the media that say we Money Sam George abe clash. Both NDC TikTokers. Enye easy.
Honorable paper on the card up and famba. Why? Paper now cars on famba. Oh, I just say, oh my jar for it and stand out the Ghana and say the me no problem. But baby, I work I said, won't get Ghana for account to the TikTokers like TikTokers for an account to the monetization. All them is straight. I always say monetization. I always say, so why am I Ghana for TikTokers now? Omuna be the answer then. Let me tell you people, Mama, what is it your office on mono? Mufa money Gani and Jim man's pay. Mamma for pen and young Pasiade. Mufa money Gani and Jim man's pay, monthly salary pepe. Nedge now na found says you could say the catcher is over to me, any influencer compete with Scar Semu. Unim Scar influencers no more Ghana and me see. Unim go from a bomb DM. So the other man's answer like a crack one. Until I make us say, make sure some for pen and for baby. Aside the man's pin, make sure some for pen and for baby. And Tias Cabiso. Never when he Gani. Like I tell me say, when they as I'm talking compete with Casemo. Why? I always say TikTokers for no money, I'm one son of Medidi. Won't get to be account monetizer. We are a power to answer them. We are a power to. You try fraud the one sana. I say, comfort, catch up for say, open Corondo.
Honorable Sam George, please come. Come closer. Come to me. Come and let me tell you something, Honorable. Please, energy now, when you may watch your butiricano. Miss Shawa so be your sir, energy now, boy, needs my posting nurses. Me too, baby, nurse in 2022 or 2025, you posting me. School fees, which me 5,000, 6,000 Ghana cedis. Now we are betting a fee. Honorable. On my woman could a jumen nim. Now more patches say Uncle Bash shall win and find the answering. A more partners and pa come him say pan come the starty business. Na say abutirika wenye ni mdieni nyansa ade ye na juma makochino me ne man ka je say my beer company bia oda no kan Ghana ska ombenya muni muntia aban me sra mo se mo posti nurses ni atena fiache
Obia to na no esi Honorable Sam George so me dey asemba ko pe na pese mbusa papa be 2 months ni say TikTok management by Emma mo frefre TikTokers be ma in fact mostly databases after that no traders what app we see have frustrated papa uko so life ani aje life omo mu ton ade nko a omo mu kontokwa affect omo eno na traders epesi ehun se hyehyehye bi na mo de egu akwema no because na akola bi awie suku otifie ni maame ni bi eti onya kakra na okofa ne phone ene ne shop ojane dem na oton ade adan na all of a sudden because na ntisa me I have been here for 3.5 years ni am ton ade wa ha na ntisa eti epesi ehun hyehyehye bi na mo de egu akwan mu a mesra mo monjen citizens ho because they can talk I did life the piano and also a bank and your mufaso and your man I could ya bano and also your tea duty when your mufaso it is ram the more ye piano ya monune citizens first.
The period you became a member of parliament, you were not doing any other business. You were solely dependent on your salary, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, as my primary source of income.
Did you have the benefit of any secondary source of income?
Mr. Chairman, I'm married to a very industrious woman.
Now, I don't get it. Please explain.
I'm married to an industrious woman.
Okay, so please explain to her, if you say you are married to an industrious woman and that is the source of your secondary income, what exactly do you mean?
I mean, my wife takes care of me.
Untumi mbo ejuma wo ye. Me say saska no munye nya sisi adan na nyama. Obi a minister bi no betime nya kudura bo ejuma me ye da. Say apart from monthly income 11,000 nyama nyama na e de ma me no. Me ye ejuma we say kan. Obi ntumi mbo da. But mu bisa, wo say ejuma be na wo ye de. Wo akọ obi say ejuma be na wo ye de. O de o yiri na show. But abotrika de o mbi na no kan kire wo say ejuma we na me ye. Mo be chi na nim ya instant no mo nya sa right no mama ne lawyer but mo nya sa right no e bisa ne say ejuma be na oye mo o ma mo answer nim yo no na mo fan wi so against no we are mo de Ghana youth an kasa de mo jimi mo de bia me kasa mo jimi mo next year mesa mo pa next amesa to abama sankofo we me de bia me ka kire mo se MPP ni NDC mo be tena so how many years MPP ni NDC mo really money for 30 something years then no my Ghana. Still number to about Mutimo de Jimmy de Moses Jimmy.
Hon Sam George, if you say you point to what's in your back can be a one pass pin. Issue aba, Nasa walk can say be a fraud no yen and yatino, and I don't care. Baba Casana, school na yes, we are living example. I've ordered a farm. Master Abelo. You wouldn't school any power quest on I lie health for moon post here, moon post here. Any park medical lab. Still I impost you know. Obakaza and a school, yes, slow. Maso bia wie school 2019 that one tournament and to the book kan was my first school mem na the school ba ma youth no ko ebu afumo of my certificate and 10 time ho na abase man adwuma na fi say fraud no ye ne yankan ntumi ne bia na na school ni ntina ma anya fraud o ne school ntina ma anya fraud but a moral and tete papa de ma ye ntina ye nya fraud anke engagement ka fraud dada o fi say school na school ye de bade onu school ni pa kwa sto na adwuma kwa ye ba na mu di atem de bade wona me say how am Mahama efaso kasa how am Mahama like issue ba ofaso ebe can be or can no basa arrogant way be what is that? What kind of minister are you? Masa ya slow ya ni abre street in so me kaka school wazema some of us me verse e bia wo no send this be position a wo na be is you are the napo of NDC
Ragazzi asamaba Honorable Sam George Ebeka say dear Game Boys no more Ghana no or bet you nyina na say aka 3 o more less than so ebe peki omu no Ghana for atu omano esine so amate se ometwa na ama wasa so about return match first one obeka ya no to me no o make a whole lot of sense but this time around the asam na okan ye no chale mo de mumientie na this time around ye be breaki no word by word because sometimes me try more kasasia e na me refibi so mumienko
I've heard I've seen a number of comments on social media saying that this is not what we voted for you for. You're going after the fraud boys. Leave them alone. You're not creating jobs. But those same people are asking me to get PayPal to monetize. Those same people are asking me to get TikTok to monetize and Meta to monetize.
Okay.
Well, they will blacklist Ghana so long as there's fraud happening in Ghana. The reason why PayPal left Ghana is because of fraud.
Oh, wow.
And so if you have a few people depriving the majority of people who are doing legitimate work on social media, content creators. The reason you can't monetize and get value for your craft is because a few people have chosen to give Ghana a bad name. We will take action. And let this be clear. This action of clamping down on cyber.
And no time Honorable Sam George eba out, ebe make a statement there. Say dear oba bechiche fraud boys ni nyina. Me video am ye nyina kire say. Na me ne ye adwene to some point be Emma me breaking it down will be at yes yes dodo na no mo me ya adwene na ensam na wo ka no me hu no say eye entesuo bi eno peso e de wotigu yani say Honorable Sam George ahwe hu say TikTok is very powerful enti no we try say obeg get TikTokers for love sister ya bibia no ya be supporting because yes TikTok and as I say e what trend no mom ya starting free her Honorable Sam George ebeso wo kire say akronfo na say watu omani te esi wo so no eye scammers no peso wo chu omo e wo Ghana street no so no eye simple because of say o pese o give Ghana good name on the world map sister ya Ghana for ko pe favors bia na ye de be mu mo and you see Say Honorable Sam George make this statement me dear me because he is not trying to make Ghana clean for Enchiri Masastaya. We will live in peace and we will live better life in Ghana. But he is doing it for the Americans. Tia samna wakano. Obikas wo ye for Wiasia, for the Europeans and for the Americans. Omunti no Honorable Sam George wo yes adie no. Now, he is not doing it for our interest. Owie no to play smart and other TikTok eba be semu. Say Ghana for ye pese TikTok for tua ye car. Was a chrono ye yiyi sa kronfo we nyina fim na because of scamming and a paper for me free ho and a TikTok for no omu embeso mu betu ye ka because enyama we say nyina ho no ma ebe ye den say mu betu ye ka and it's a lie. When it comes to paper, I don't know why they left Ghana. But I can boldly tell you guys it is a lie. At the Crontia makers ask them to say, Minim baby, we are a chrono, a coso, a chain crow a friend in UK. Uko UK is a chrono, a coso hono, when it comes to scamming. Say a can crow, scamming, sasso coso casiepa America, a number one. Chase, citizen almost scamiancasa. Miametia UK, 2 years ago, Obi. Ebe scam me the details eto phone e de command wo fie e wa abra phone me na metuaka me ko make hon report ansa no mo eye nhwemu hu sampa phone na ma me ho ansa na me sika metu enyomo refund na de ama me omo mo UK obi aba testify obi timi from all council tax went ya ye ba ba twa we mu ye ba ba yese ahopepre na akwa akotua wo be kwa akotua kwa no betietim later na na wo neka obi aju sika edi obi timi from ye be mo council house ba ye agency bia oba ye de be mo quick obo ne aba ba ju sika ne de ko ye ka kropa amanfo escam amanfo UK number 1 America any jai na so America for TikTok etu omuka PayPal eye adwuma wo ho the same thing as UK as well ye hwe krobe to say France, ukodu France, TikTok for etiomoka. Yenshe krobit say Canada, uko honoma TikTok entiomoka. Yenshe krobit say Germany, TikTok entio content creators ka. Italy yentiomoka, France yentiomoka. And in all these big countries, they are not getting paid. Honorable Sam George, do you think say you can do magic for TikTok to pay Ghana for? Me the day I met say we make it that step no na eyame de utimi ya. Why are they a bebu abaso? But me ametie me who say it will be very difficult and sha emoso. But what the key sa agenda no and the Ghana for adwene e di akro. Meka say wo say wo de wo beche boys na e fine because eno me make a whole lot of example. Say sa boys no ye nyo muso mfaso emfaso a ye nya wo muso an say yeah o economy no mu boost ne kakra because scan eba o mu maskani ye dai e floati e wo kroni mu. That is the only benefit a yenya no kroni mu. O mu myenyuma o mu they could have invest. Sister Yanka o mu be feed 1,000 of people but they don't do it. Etimi because of Sadia and Nkwente no ye mefo munko mefo aso. And I say obisi komode na obi ntimi nkofatu nkobo obi trim say accommodate into akwakoju obi bad because of a commodity no yenso so no so because esika no mo free abrofo no bo no mutimi ko commit suicide eyampa abrofo no magi esika me se ade ne nkwado mo nyemfa na make say me media no megina ha gina ha o megina ha say ko mo gisika ne ba no mo de ba ya de pa ama benefit kuro na ankefu mo so but enko ba ne sa no mo fo mo nko
Sam George, my man fire kakra. I mean, both through me that because in a godfather, no, but yes, no, you can't play with our mindset. You can't play with our mindset. And not because the reason why Ghana young qualify for TikTok monetization is say Ghana, most of the guys in the involved in romance scam, most of the guys in the year fraud, fraud into Ghana. Young qualify for TikTok monetization. After you say you're eligible for PayPal, you're eligible for PayPal because of say guys in the baby now air fraud, the way fraud and people and person or more eligible. But you have the top 10 criminals. Top 10 countries are we are for with the whole world no. First one is India, then so we eligible. 2 Brazil, Pakistan, South Africa, Morocco, Romania, and after Nigeria. Nigeria for ya kronfo ankasa in me who so kronfo we ya kronfo ankasa mo ni Pakistan for mo ya kronfo ankasa India for the defense yes to paper eligible this countries ni na paper eligible this countries ni na afi over India and Brazil almost we eligible for TikTok monetization. It don't come out and tell us say because of fraudulent activities a guys ni pressing a crowd mo yen ntino and anything na TikTok empesa we monetize and anything na paper empesa we ba promote it's a big lie, it's a lie. So when you near make us I'm telling you the fact. Why would I say Obe anti you to know at praise US for you just keep on doing it. But find so you when you say the tone where your body or saying when you say the top where your body or saying very soon top 10 criminals on top 10 fraudulent countries, Baby that face, I'm telling you
the
fact.
baby ewo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!